We are on the way to Kobe's swap meet. I'm here with my sis.
Hi!
And
it's early morning, 8:15.
Yeah, we're headed down and we're gonna meet Ellie and Emma because they are gonna be there getting stuff for their new apartment.
The two girls, the two daughters of mine.
Yeah.
Okay, here we are in the car.
Super excited. Here we go.
Getting ready to go to Kobe's.
Are you ready? I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Super excited! Good morning! Hello! So we're here at Kobe's. We're gonna hunt them down. Debbie and my mom. It's the whole family today.
We always hit up the bathroom at the gas station before we go into Kobe's.
Oh, there's another train case. Look at the old film reel.
Look at this hat. Look at that. I love this one. You want that one?
I know.
Not here, but we found a bunch of heads. More heads.
Okay, what do you got?
I got a globe without a stand and this little chicken thing.
Cute.
Chicken things are always popular.
It's broke right here, but, or no, maybe it isn't. I think a spoon went in there.
Cute. What is it?
It's a truck. This is cute. Good find. Yeah, I know.
Oh, hi!
Hi! Yeah. That is pretty cool. That's cool. Wow, look at that big crock pot. That's cool.
Very pretty.
There's some cool old stuff here. Meat grinders. We could grind our own meat. Look at all this silverware, Debbie. You could make your own jewelry. My goodness, she is finding lots of fun stuff today.
So much fun stuff.
Look at all that.
Love this green box. Danielle's been helping me. I would probably rip out the carpeting, but it's a good solid wood box and it could be painted so beautifully. But this is the kind of thing I don't get because we don't have space right now. And it would be really expensive to ship, so we're gonna pass on it, even though it's a great deal.
Wow, that's a big one. That's beautiful. Look how bright and clean it is. It looks brand new.
It's made out of good yarn. Like a lot of times they're made out of really bad yarn. But this looks like a cotton poly blend.
First, look at this awesome barbecue thing. I think you make a fire underneath it, but that's cool. And then look at this little cute record player. It's for 45s though, so I don't have any 45s.
Let everyone draw their own conclusions.
Emma, tell me again. I found a plant holder.
Cute.
And I found this to match my outfit.
So cute. And look at her cute outfit. Did you make those pants?
Yes, I made it.
You are so cute. All kinds of knick-knack paddywhacks. Melissa loves to buy these empty. There's my family, my 3 girly girls, my sister and her 2 babies. No idea why. All the heads. This place is just filled with heads. I've never, like in all the years I've come, I've never seen so many heads. I don't know what's up.
There's a big spider. It's all cobwebby, and we're having trouble fitting it in the car.
Get your shoe and dig it out.
We use the truck.
So, I got this little salon chair, and this cute green thing, and this from Mexico, big kitchen dish. And Ema got these plants. We out of here.
Okay, my sister is going to return the cart that we needed and get my driver's license back. So I am just gonna hang here for a minute. There she goes with my cart. A very successful day at Kobe's. We did not see Khalif, but we got an amazing chair and all kinds of goodness, good stuff. That is another day at Kobe's swap meet. Here she comes. Hopefully she has my driver's license.
My mom is so good at wearing masks.
Did you get my license?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna have to go that way.
All right. Was it a good day?
Mask, spiders, people. Oh my.
Heat. Here we are, Highway 101. We're gonna have our keto tacos. Danielle put all these napkins on the table. Why'd you do that?
Because the table is sticky.
It's sticky. That space over there is for rent, but I don't know. It's like I like big open windows.
Yeah.
It seems kind of closed off. We're gonna look at a space down there that's also for rent.
And there's a space over there that's for
Yeah, there's a space over there, but I don't want to be over there. So we'll just see. Downtown Encinitas, taco.
if you could reface.
So this 1055 Coast Highway is another possibility that I'm looking at. Goes all the way back to there. Front window. Looks like an upstairs office. This is great because this is like a loading dock door where we could bring furniture in. Wood floors.
Later that day, we all got to go as a family to tour the place. Wow, it was a huge building, and it is just full of creativity and lots of fun potential. So be praying that if this is a second location, that it's all gonna work out. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the tour.
Southern California. It's as if nothing ever happened. The world is all good. Is the world good, Danielle?
God is good.
God is good. That is true. He doesn't change. Everything else may be off the rails.